Flashback.
Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to eat out at a restaurant in Marco Polo Hotel. I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to maximize your buffet experience. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Daisy. Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Daisy, Daisy. What is up guys? Daisy here and welcome back to another travel vlog! Good morning guys! We're off to Bohol! Hey guys, what's up? Daisy here and welcome back to another travel vlog. What's up guys? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, what's up? Daisy here. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. What's up guys? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. Hey, what's up guys? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. Hello, what's up guys? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. Hey, what's up guys? Daisy here and welcome back to another travel vlog. Hi, what's up guys? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. Hey, what's up guys? Daisy here and welcome back to another travel vlog. Hi, what's up guys? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. Hello days friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello, what's up days friends? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. Hello, what's up days friends? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. Hello, what's up days friends? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. Hello, what's up days friends? Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. Hello, what's up days friends? Daisy here and welcome back to another travel vlog. Oh my gosh. Hello, what's up days friends? Daisy here and welcome back to another travel vlog. Hello, what's up days friends? Daisy here and welcome back to another travel vlog. Oh my gosh, guys. Baon mo sa buffet guys. Inyuna ko kay kanang mamahalon kanang dili ra mapalit ra sa kilid-kilid balik. Kani gani mga crab, like mga expensive ba. Kay dili determina mga kaon mo mga inanila.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Look guys, so clear. It's not deep. You can just walk. Come on, just standing. We're now here in Virgin Island. I'm with Shirley and the Royal and Finn Snow, the legendary Finn Snow.
Myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Hi! Please say hi to my camera.
You make me smile. What is it that you do? Was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you I don't know what it is you do. I just want you.
Magdudua tulong kum kandangan tabal kipu imala gabak mahablus du. Worth it. Nice. Nice. I love the view. Walang forever. Guys, so we're now off to. Hi. Wow. See that? Where are you from? No. No.
Spain.
Oh, you're from. Oh, welcome to the Philippines. Hoy, kasi ikaw forever! Bye! So let's move on to what's inside my ref. Are you ready, guys? Okay. So, 1, 2, 3. 10! So guys, mas ma-shock mo. So this is what's inside my ref. Sige pa, down pa.
Okay, press down, hold down, hold down, hold down.
Woo! Woo! Record pa siya.
Okay.
Brandon Doors. Kulafo, baka naman. I will finish this in one ladok. No, not one ladok. See?
I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel.
Oh my gosh! Naadlo ko kay Windy kayo. Kanya na-disconnect pag ang drone. May ganit kay na si Ayan. Oh my gosh! Ako'y patig pa down. Tapos ang control kay ambot lang naglisod ng goto. Uy, naratol gid ko guys kay na-disconnect siya. Napagid sa may dagat dapit. Nadlo ko babasin kung ma-disconnect tapos mo crash siya sa dagat. Wa na good. Goodbye journey. Oh my gosh! Ang ganaong ikadlukan mo.
The way you look, the way you act, and how you move. You wanna get close to me? Why don't you do it right now? Doing that for a reason, but you're trying to.
Wala mang katak-utak sa babae ito eh.
And we should be together, starting when
turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed. blow the candles out, move your body slow. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go.
Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
End of flashback.
Hello, what's up, Days friends? I'm Daisy Atim, also known as Daisy on YouTube. On December 9, 2018, I posted my very first vlog on YouTube entitled How to Beat All-You-Can-Eat Buffet with a few tips on maximizing your buffet experience. It now seems like a funny topic for a vlog, but as a beginner, I had no content, so I would literally vlog about everything, going to restaurants, hikes, even at my work. So everything, guys, I vlog good, everything good, as in. And my plan with the travel vlog was to record my travel experiences, and to do that, I bought a vlogging cam from my friend who also inspired me to give it a try. And like everyone else starting out, I had much ambition but no one watching. It took me many videos to finally reach the milestone of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours that would allow me to monetize my channel, which means in YouTube language that I will receive pay for the ads that runs on my vlogs. And I'm very blessed to say that the numbers is now well over 7,000, well almost 8,000. Hopefully we can reach 8,000 before the year end. So I would like to thank every one of you for always supporting me. If it's not because of you, if it's not for the viewers like you who supported me through my videos, through my vlogs, through my many adventures, I would not have been able to continue producing content. So I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. Oh my god, I would like to give you a big hug. Thank you so much, Days friends, for always supporting me and for always being there for me and for continue supporting me, especially to my family and to Daddy Michael. Thank you so much for the continued support, and to everyone else, to Johnny, to all my very generous subscribers. Thank you so much. And also I would like to give a big shout out to my Bisaya YouTubers Club family. Thank you so much, guys. Well, I don't know what to say anymore. Thank you so much. You can also support me through Patreon. It's an online platform that allows viewers to make contributions to content creators like me to produce more content. And I'm very excited to share with you that last August I received my first Patreon, which is also Daddy Michael. So thank you so much, Dad. And just recently, I also turned on my membership on my channel. So you can also support me there. Just click the join button, guys. It will also allow you to support me on an ongoing basis. So I hope you can also support me there. As exciting as the last 2 years have been, I know that the best is already yet to come. And once this COVID-19 pandemic has passed, I will be able to travel outside the Philippines or around the Philippines again, and to share with you my travel experiences, and to hopefully inspire you to see the beauty of God's creations and seize the day. Thank you again for watching, these friends. I love you all. God bless us all, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye, guys!
Manos, say hi, Days friends. Hi. Hello, Days. Sa imong second year sa YouTube, gusto rin ako isulti sa imo is just keep on vlogging and just keep on reaching your dreams. I know you can do it. I know how passionate you are when it comes to vlogging, and I know how hungry you are for that goal. And I know you're just gonna make it. I know you're gonna make it. And I believe in your channel. I believe in your capabilities. I believe in what you can do. So I would like to congratulate you in advance for reaching 8,000 subscribers, hopefully before this year ends. So maura na, Days, thank you very much, and thankful ko kay God na nakailati ka. And hopefully makakolab pa ta soon, although na natin collaboration, pero At that time kay mura pa mo kog nauwaw ato and dili pa kay sad ko comfortable kuyog kato kay first meet pa to nato and first time pa to nato nga nag-Storya. So I hope na pay sulod nga collaboration and to, thank you very much for being a part of my 2020 and congratulations on your 8,000 subscribers in advance.
Hi Days! And hi Days! Kuyawan ako yung ring. Hi Days, happy vlog, sorry. What's up Days friends? I would like to greet you. Happy 2nd anniversary sa imong YouTube channel. So, marami mo sulti naman mo, no? Thank you Days sa friendship. Isa late na ta nagaila. Pero enjoy kayo po may nakauban ka o musikat na ganit ka, ay may kalimti ha, kay di ba ako musikat ng juga padong na ka sa 100k subscribers, kay grabe ang pag-grow sa yung channel. And keep up the good work, keep on uploading, and God bless you more DC, to more sponsors to come, to more engagements, and blah blah blah. So salamat sa tanan, kay may kalimti ha, bantay ka.
Hello! What's up mga lagans and what's up Days friends? Alam nyo ba, isa sa mga paborito kong travel vlogger na member ng Visaya YouTubers Club ay nagsa-celebrate ngayon ng kanyang 2nd year anniversary. Tama ba yung second? Na nagsa-celebrate kayo ng kanyang 2nd anniversary and of course, walang iba kundi si Daisy. So hindi ko talaga makakalimutan si Daisy, no? Like ever since nag-meet kami, first time meeting namin hanggang sa umuwi ako ng Basilan, every weekend lahat gala kami ng gala, and marami akong mga firsts na na-experience sa kanya. First time mag-scuba, first time magbalut, first time mag-gyrocopter, and I am still looking for more firsts with Daisy. So syempre, kilala natin si Daisy bilang isang merwoman, at dahil nga sa kanyang pagka-merwoman, binabati ko siya dito mula talaga sa dagat at mula sa mga nagagandahang palms dito sa Basilan. So I hope to see you here and I hope to see you back there in Cebu City. Mems, happy 2nd anniversary, and I know you will still continue to do and create more quality vlogs, and I am so very excited and happy with whatever you have achieved already in your YouTube career and as a YouTuber. So sobrang happy, no? That's it. I hope to see you when I go back to Cebu. Miss you.
Hi mga Days friends, this is your certified locator chasing James greeting Daisy a happy anniversary. It's her 2nd year anniversary in her YouTube journey, and I couldn't only be grateful for the friendship that we've had for the past few months. Kakakilala ko pa lang sa kanya, but the connection was instant, and she's one of those vloggers that I know who's very generous to her friends and to her co-vloggers. She shares her videos, her drones to us, her GoPro shots to us, and most especially her time. So thank you so much. I'm glad to have finally met you, and I'm just hoping for more years with you as we go on more laags. Congrats!
Hi Daisy, thank you so much for being a good friend. Thank you so much for supporting my channel as well. Congratulations on your 2nd anniversary to your YouTube channel, and I hope you will grow to millions, if not billions one day. Thank you so much for everything. I'm really happy for you being part of BYC. BYC proud!
Congratulations Daisy sa imong 2nd year YouTube channel, and hope you continue for that.
Daisy Atin, also known as Daisy. You are not only one of the best vloggers I have ever seen on YouTube, but are a daily blessing to me that goes beyond words. I constantly express my gratitude to the Lord that He has led me to you, my precious daughter. Congratulations on 2 years of vlogging. You are a talented, beautiful young lady, and I believe one of the best talents on YouTube. I love you, my sweet daughter.
Congratulations, Ate Daisy, on your 2nd year on YouTube.
Congratulations, Daisy, on your 2nd year on YouTube.
Happy 2nd anniversary, Daisy!
I should be the last.